Handi-Dogs improves people's quality of life with a trained service dog at their side. Handi-Dogs enables people with disabilities to live healthier, more active, and independent lives. We help people with diabetes, hearing loss, MS, mobility issues, PTSD, and other health challenges. As a nonprofit with no government funding, we rely on the generosity of individuals and businesses to make our services affordable. Show your support of these special dogs and their people. Make a tax-deductible donation to Handi-Dogs or contact us about our service dog training program today.